Welcome back. It's your girl Fab here in the Fab headquarters for Miss J. This is one of her clients, fresh out of the chair. You see it? It's empty. She just got out of the chair. Her hair is completely fabulous. Please shake this hair once. Can we get a turnaround? Oh my God. This is like so lightweight. I see your layers. How long have you been a client?
About 2.5, 3 years? 3 years.
3 years, going strong. Like, people have kids that are 3 years old. So you've been a client for as long as people have had kids. So how do you feel about her service? Tell us more.
She's excellent. She does a very good job. I recommend her to anybody.
Wow. Wow. So your name, darling?
Andrea.
Andrea just tried to tell me she didn't model. She does model. She did a few things. Shout out to you, Ricky, baby. I remember. Love your hair. Definitely, this is Who's Done It, Desiree Welch. I've already tagged her. If you've not found her, you better locate her on my page. She's doing major things. She's specializing in sew-ins, bonding, just all natural hair. So if you want to get this type of look, get your natural hair. If you want to get a sew-in, she's your girl. Oh, my God. Let me just feel it. It's completely awesome. It's so flowing. So about how long does this last for you?
About 2 weeks.
And you just got your eyebrows done, too. So you just completely did a whole makeover. Like, where are you going?
Nowhere.
Oh, my God. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. You deserve it, right?
Right.
Exactly. So this has just been a mini haul for Miss Welch. Stay true, stay you. Thanks for tuning in. Stay fab. Smooches.